Today we read Nahum 1-3. God is our defender. It might take longer than we want, and sometimes we see in these passages that are just a couple pages long actually span 20, 30, 100 years. But nothing is lost on our God. Rest assured, he will win in the end. I don't know what that looks like, but as I read through the first couple of thousand years, I can see the story unfolding, and I trust that he's able. Would you respond in worship with me as we sing Defender from Francesca Battistelli? You go before, I know that you've even gone to win my war. You come back with the head of my enemy. You come back and you call it my victory. Oh, you go before, I know that you've even gone to win my war. Your lift becomes my greatest defense. It leads me from the dry wilderness, and all I did was praise. All I did was worship. All I did was bow down. All I did was stay still. Hallelujah, you have saved me. So much better your way. Hallelujah, great defender. So much better your way. You know before I do where my heart can seek to find your truth. Your mercy is the shade I'm living in. You restore my faith and hope again. And all I did was praise. All I did was worship. All I did was bow down. All I did was stay still. Hallelujah, you have saved me. So much better your way. Hallelujah, great defender. So much better your way. Hallelujah, you have saved me. So much better your way. Hallelujah, great defender. So much better your way. When I thought I lost me, you knew where I left me. You reintroduced me to your love. You picked up all my pieces, put me back together. You are the defender. together. You are the defender of my heart. Hallelujah, you have saved me. So much better your way. Hallelujah, great defender. So much better your way. So much better your way. And all I did was praise. All I need to do is worship. Lord, I will just bow down. I'm just gonna stay still. So much better is his way. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie, and I'll see you tomorrow.